Okay, so we're looking at the joint tooling on the front of the house on the west elevation, and there's something unique going on here. If you look, there is about a 3/16 definite line inside the mortar joint. So those joints were struck flush, but then they dragged a tool down there to make these little extra lines in there. And these are called ruled joints because they literally used a ruler to make these. The idea was to make these straight lines horizontally and then also vertically between each brick. And what you were doing is you were kind of redrawing that brick. You were defining it, and by using a ruler, you got those joints very regular. So once this was all painted, you would step back and you would see, rather than seeing the mortar joints, you're actually seeing those struck joints. So it gives the impression of a very expensive, very regular, non-hand formed brick. So, and this is unique to the front of the house, and it's pretty common on houses of this period, but didn't find it anywhere else. So definitely the front of the house was given a special, more expensive treatment.